48.
First stop, filling up with diesel. So we have arrived at Sands of Luce. Jim is just going to check us in. The weather has stayed good, the sun is definitely out, still a wee bit cold.
Right, she says it's a free-for-all, so we can take whatever pitch we want.
Okay.
Whatever takes our fancy. So we're along here to a white house, and there is a sign that says tourers. So basically we come along, we're here at the moment, we head along the road here. There's a white house, we'll go over a metal bridge along. White house is here somewhere, come along, and then we turn down here at the laundry. And then this is the touring area here, so just as a free-for-all, just take what you want.
Okay.
All good. Bar and restaurant is currently closed until Thursday. So there's the sign, White House touring. We go left. We'll go a wee trip round the statics.
No, we can walk round there later.
You know how I like a wee trip. No shop here either.
Is there not?
Nah. There's a wee village just along the road, so you can actually walk to if you want. This is where the douche is. Side.
There's one right there. Oh, do you need one that way?
Oh, there's one's further down. Where do you want to be?
That one right in the corner, no? Or that one there, maybe that you've got a brilliant view there.
Let's drive right down the front and turn at the back.
Oh no, right in there.
Eh?
Right in there.
Right in there?
Definitely. Yeah? Okay, so we have just arrived and you pick your own pitch. We've picked the most perfect pitch. Just look at that view. It is absolutely stunning here. And wait till you see our view. Look at that. Just stunning. Yep, you?
Yep. Best pitch, I think.
Yeah, definitely. What pitch number are we on? So all the pitches are for the Cerberus. It doesn't actually say a number. Yeah, definitely think it's the best campsite until the last. Caravan.
That's important.
You and me me stuck on the ocean now. Nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home. Our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome.
Stunning.
I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not have. We do not all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have. Chasing all that.
SR48.
Something is meant to get in the water.
Transport dog.
Looks quite new. Maybe climbing wall. Pool, snooker. Oh look. Chickens. Yeah, there's chickens in there. There could be swans as well.
Let's have a look. There's donkeys.
No donkeys this time.
Yeah.
So reception. Three tables outside and llamas. Well, it's quite a big breakfast, isn't it?
There's room, there's a balcony above the bar as well. I'm sure that stables at the back there.
Yeah, the horses there as well. Cola cube, cream egg.
£2 for a litre. £1.50 for milk. £1.50 for a litre of milk. The bottle is £2. Milkshake 1 litre.
Honesty box.
Oh, that must be here.
Toilets. Laundrette. Are you going round?
Yeah.
Recycling area. I take it that's where our bins are. A random house.
There's a ladies there.
Ladies, laundrette. It's quite a big laundrette. Dishwashing area. And chemical disposal. Oh, there's a few more.
Oh, it's quite nice. Full. There's another one in look.
Yeah. So there's a good few up here as well. 6 up here. Mm.
Give you another European.
So unfortunately for us, the weather did not stay this good. The next day we had strong gale force winds and rain, so we stayed in and we made cake. Finally dried, so we can go a wee walk. And the wind's calmed down a bit. Definitely not as clear as it is. Definitely not as clear as what it was last night.
That's where we're going tomorrow.
Right, I know that's Mulligatawny.
Galloway. Right straight in front of us. Kind of to the right there slightly, you've got Isle of Man, and then through the gap there you've got Ireland.
Over there,
Island. No.
It's over here.
That's from Scotland. Right there towards Isle of Whitmore and Isle of Whitmore and Hudson and up that way.
Happy Wednesday, everybody. So we are just about ready to go and do Mull of Galloway today. Yesterday was a bit of a wasted day. The rain and the wind was just unreal. Calmed down a wee bit later on at night for us to be able to go a walk. As you can see, it still is really windy, but at least the rain is not as heavy as it was yesterday. So today we are planning on doing the Galloway lighthouse. So the Galloway lighthouse, and I think we're going to go into Patrick. Just look at that view. And look at the wind. Yeah, it is still really windy. And the sea is still looking very choppy. The site's looking quite quiet this morning. There's a good few that's left, so I think there's only us and another 3 that's still here. So next week is the start of the Easter holidays, so I would imagine tomorrow or Friday the site would start to pick right up. I don't know if you can see, but there's pitches. There's 6 pitches up the back there. There's 2 where we are, and I still believe that we've got the best pitch here. There's 6 pitches in there, and then there's the ones down here, and you've got all the ones at the front. But you're still not really getting a good view. You're getting a view of the water, but I definitely don't think you're getting the view that we are getting here. Whereas we are getting all that, and on a good day we can see, where are we? So we are going away over there. That's where the lighthouse is. So where we're going to today, Jim?
We are going to today, Jim, the Mull of Galloway lighthouse. Apparently the most southern point in Scotland. Then we are going to Port Patrick.
What's in Port Patrick?
Harbour. Boats.
And
restaurants.
How far from here until?
We are 26 minutes. It is 15 miles.
From Sansalus to the lighthouse?
From Sansalus to the lighthouse.
And then how far from the lighthouse to Port Patrick?
I haven't a clue, I haven't looked at it. I should imagine about the same distance, roughly 20 to 30 minutes.
God, I hate these roads.
I think. Until we meet someone. Galloway, 4 miles.
Yeah, these roads definitely are not for the faint-hearted.
Right, just hang on. Hang on, table.
If I thought these roads were bad, this was nothing until the road up to the lighthouse.
How long?
11 minutes.
I don't think I can take 11 minutes of this.
It was honestly giving me anxiety these roads, and the wind and the rain was just getting worse as well. The higher we climbed, the worse it was getting. Now our visibility was getting restricted. At this point, I thought we were going to need to turn back.
This is just getting mental now. We can't even see anything.
I see the road.
You better be seeing the road.
That's not good. Toot toot. Oh.
Oh,
Our signpost. There we go.
right, so.
Single
Single track, passing places.
Things can only get better.
I'm a nervous wreck.
It's fine. Ditch.
Jeez.
Stay out of the ditch.
I don't even think you could call this a single track lane. What's happening?
I don't know.
Oh, is it stuck?
No, they're filling in potholes.
Filling in the potholes.
One guy in his shovel.
Okay, interesting.
So in case you never heard Jim, there is actually 2 guys and 2 shovels filling in the potholes in a day like this. Yep, you heard that correct.
Move over. No chance.
Even the sheep aren't impressed. He's like, don't touch my bottle. Oh, jeez. How much longer?
3 minutes. We walk.
Join us next time to see if we made it up to the top to the lighthouse. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll hopefully see you on the next one.